This video should have 10 million
dangerous
views.
videos.
Subscribe to Chucky's Horror Movie.
What's up? What's up?
Oh, hello, creeps.
What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up?
What's your favorite scary movie?
The one where I kill you. I can't wait for Halloween so I can get a real job.
I get crazy. I get crazy. I get crazy. I get crazy.
What's up? What's up? What's up? Hello? Your mother sucks cocks in hell.
I'm gonna tear that ass up when I find you. Hello?
Your mother sucks cocks in hell.
Disgusting freak!
I want to play a game. Your mother sucks cocks in hell. I miss the old days when no one knew who I was.
Hello? Who is this?
Chucky says he's gonna beat them cheeks.
Chucky can't even beat his own meat.
Hello?
We clapping your sister's cheeks like a round of applause.
It's not fair! You guys are always hanging out without me, bro!
Hello? Your mom was glazing me last night.
I'll glaze my machete through you if you talk about my mom again!
Hello? Mother sucks cocks in hell.
I'm gonna gut the two of you when I find you, fuckers! Hello?
Your mother sucks cocks in hell.
Ronald don't play that shit!
Hello? Your mom was glazing me last night.
I'll glaze my machete through you if you talk about my mom again!
you kidding me right now? I said get out of here. I mean it. Fine. Here. Happy Halloween.
Subscribe or I will hunt you down. I'm watching you. Thanks for watching.